In this session, we will review the application of configurable BOM and required setup in Microsoft Dynamics X 2012. In addition, we will be discussing the functionality available for dimension-based configurations and how you can use this functionality for BOMs in AX. First, let us try to understand what is configurable BOM with an example of bicycle and how it is different than the ordinary BOM. We are also going to discuss why we would use these item configuration functionalities, and then we will take a deep dive into the setup task associated with BOM configuration. Bicycle is available and offered in 3 different colors: blue, orange and yellow, and 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. In order to assemble the blue color and small size bicycle, we need blue color frame and small size wheel. Again, to assemble the small size wheel, we need small size tire, while all other components does not depend on size and color of the bicycle. In order to assemble the orange color and medium size bicycle, we need orange color frame and medium size wheel. Again, to assemble the medium size wheel, we need medium size tire. Similarly, we need to create as many BOMs as many product variant combinations exist. Using the configurable BOM, we can minimize the number of BOM versions we need to maintain, and user can select the required configuration as per customer requirement, or can create the new configuration on the fly during the order taking. Here is the tabular representation of how configurable BOM looks like. We need to define product with different colors and sizes as an individual BOM lines in a single BOM. Notice that configuration BOM setup works best with the product without product dimension. So we have 3 different colors of frame and 3 different sizes of wheels as 3 different individual products instead of one product with product dimensions. Frame is offered in 3 different colors, then BOM line covering each color must be created as a separate BOM line. Same is true for wheels. Let us review the product demonstration about how to create and define BOM lines for a configurable BOM. Let us look at the release product form. Here we have already filtered the required products to construct the configurable bicycle, and as you can see, we have a frame of 3 different colors have been created as 3 different products: blue frame, orange frame, and in the last we have a yellow frame. Similarly, we have a wheel of 3 different sizes have been created as different products: medium size wheel, large size wheel and small size wheel. Other components are used for all sizes and colors, so they are as it is: nut, bolt, pedal, saddle. And we will construct the configurable BOM using these components. So as we just discussed, first we will create the BOM with the required BOM lines, where frame with 3 different colors will be defined as 3 different BOM lines, and wheel of 3 different sizes will be defined as 3 different individual BOM lines. So let us go to the inventory and management. We have already created the BOM with this required BOM lines, so let us locate that in the bill of materials form. Go to inventory and warehouse management and click on bill of materials. This will open up the bill of materials form. Here we have a BOM created for the configurable bicycle. So far we didn't link it to the configurable bicycle product. Once BOM is constructed and required setup is done, we will create a configurable bicycle product and link it to this BOM. So let us look at the lines of this BOM. And as you can see here, we have a blue frame, orange frame, yellow frame, as well as 3 different sizes of wheels as different BOM lines, and other components remain same. To set up BOM configurations for an item, we must create configuration groups, configuration routes, and configuration rules. We will understand objective of using each of these setup components and how they work together. Bicycle is sold in 3 different colors and sizes. We can either create a BOM version per color and size combination, or alternatively we can create single configurable BOM. Using the configuration groups, we should link the similar products or BOM lines in a single group. For example, configuration group frame colors can be created to group the BOM lines for 3 different colors of frame, and configuration group called wheel size can be created to group wheels of different sizes. In order to link the similar BOM lines using the configuration group, we need to fill in the appropriate value for the configuration group field for a set of specific BOM lines. Configuration group is used to link similar components. So first we will create a configuration group frame colors, and in order to create a configuration group you can just type in the name of configuration group frame colors and just press tab or any down arrow, and here you can write down the configuration group description. So this configuration group is created. Now we can link it to the orange frame as well as yellow frame. Alternatively, we can also create the configuration group by going to the inventory and warehouse management. Under the setup, click on the bill of materials and click on configuration group, and here we can create a new configuration group called wheel sizes. Close this form, and we can link this configuration group to 3 different sizes of wheel size. So our first step is completed, where we have linked the similar BOM components to a configuration group. Now let us review the second step, and that is about how to configure configuration route. When some of the BOM components are entered into the BOM lines and are linked to the configuration group, we can begin to work with the configuration routes. Configuration routes control the sequence in which item configuration groups are selected. They are configured to decide which component is selected first and then determine the correct components to go with that. For example, first we select the frame colors and then we select the available wheel size for that particular color. So once configuration groups are linked to the specific BOM lines, we can create a configuration route by clicking on configuration and then configuration route. And here we can add the sequence in which configuration groups are selected. So first we select the frame colors and then we select the wheel size, and here we select the wheel size. Using this up and down button, we can control the sequence in which configuration groups are selected. In our case, we select the frame colors, which will determine the wheel sizes. Once configuration groups and routes are set up, it is the time to set up configuration rules. Using the configuration rules, we can restrict the product combinations that can or cannot go together for the products belong to the different configuration groups. For example, let us say blue color bicycle is only available with the small and medium size wheel, and orange and yellow color are only available in large size. We can build configuration rules so that when user selects the blue color, only small and medium sizes are available as a choice to select from. When user selects the orange and yellow color, only available choice is large size. With this, user cannot sell blue color with large size because that is not valid combination. So once the configuration route has been defined, we can set up the configuration rules. In order to set up configuration rules, select the BOM line and then click on configuration button and then click on configuration rules. So first we will set up the configuration rules for the blue frame, for which only small and medium size wheels are available. So click on configuration rules, and since large size wheel is not available for blue color, we use the method deselect and then click on derived group, that is a wheel size. Derived group is the group against which we want to set up this configuration rules. For the blue color frame, we want to deselect the large size wheel, so select the derived item number as a large size wheel. And if product has a configurations dimension active, we can select the respective configuration here. But this item has no configuration, so only derived item number is enough. Similarly, when we select the orange frame, we would like to select the large size. So again, select the orange frame, click on configuration and click on configuration rules. Here we select the method as select and click on derived group, that is wheel size, and here we select the large size because with orange color only large size is available. Similarly, we set up for yellow frame, click on configuration and configuration rules, and here again we use the select method. Yellow color is only available in the large size wheel. For the particular configuration group, select method should only be used once for a particular product. So for example, for a blue frame, if we look at the configuration rule, it says that deselect the large size wheel. This is the way how we should set up the rules. We cannot use select method to select the medium size wheel as well as the small size wheels, because using the select method we can only select one of the components. So if you would like to select multiple components, we should use the method as deselect to skip the non-applicable components. So we are done with the required setup of configuration group, configuration route and configuration rules. Now let us review the product demonstration about how to create a configurable bicycle and application of configurable BOM. So we are done with the required setup, and all other components will be used as it is. We close this BOM line form. So now first we will create the configurable bicycle as a product and then link to this BOM. We can also see all configuration rules from here. If we see these rules, here it will show all the configuration rules are defined for this particular BOM. So blue color deselects the large size wheel, while orange and yellow color selects the large size wheel. So now as a next step, we will create a configurable bicycle and then link this to the configurable BOM and see the application how configurable BOM can be used. So in order to create a product, we'll go to the release product from create a new product. Here it should be a product master type configurable bicycle, and here you can give a configurable bicycle, and here we should select the product dimensions having a configuration dimension active. And so far we have used the predefined variant, but in order to work with the configurable BOM, select that configuration technology as a dimension based configuration, and here we will use the template to fill in the other required information and click OK. So configurable bicycle have been created, and then we go to the bill of materials form and then link configurable bicycle product to this BOM, and we approve and activate this BOM. Now we close this BOM form and we access this BOM from the release product form. When the configuration technology is dimension based configuration, under the engineer tab we can see that maintain configuration button is active, and we can also review the necessary information from the release product from under the engineer action menu. Configuration route can be reviewed by clicking on configuration route button. As we can see, the frame color should be selected first and then wheel size, and configuration tree shows us the tree structures in which configuration groups are configured. So first is the frame color. It has 3 products, blue, orange and yellow frame, and wheel size has 3 different sub-BOM: small size wheel, medium size wheel and large size wheel. We can also look at the configurable BOM by clicking the lines button, and here is the configurable BOM. We can also select the configuration rules from here. This shows the product specific configuration rules, and when we access it from the release product form, it shows all the configuration rules. So we are done with the setup. Now as a next step, we will create the sales order and we see how the configurable BOM works. So we go to the sales order and create the sales order line. So for this sales order, here we create the sales line for the configurable bicycle quantity 1, and then we click on configuration. As soon as we click on configuration, it opens the configuration dialog box where we can select the product specification. So first we select the frame color. When we select the blue frame, here in the wheel size we have 2 available combinations, that is the small size wheel and medium size wheel. And when we select the orange or yellow frame, only available choice we have is the large size wheel. That is because of the configuration rules we have set up. We now select the blue frame and select the small size wheel and then click on OK. And here we need to give the configuration name. This is the configuration name we should give it for the configurable bicycle. So we tell that blue plus small, and here we say blue color plus small size and click on OK. That configuration have been inserted, and now we can look at the required BOM components which has been selected or it's a part of this sales line by clicking on products and supply, and here compose of tree, and here we can see that with blue color frame only the small size wheel have been selected as a part of the BOM, where large size and medium size have been skipped. So BOM has been filtered as per the configurations we selected. Alternatively, we can also create the configurations by going to the release product form and click on maintain configurations. Here we can set this configuration we selected from the sales line. Alternatively, we can use this configure button and select the configuration blue and medium size wheel and click OK, and we need to give a name to the configuration: blue plus medium, blue color plus medium size, and click on OK. We can close this form, and we can also see that the configuration which we just created are also created as a product dimensions here. blue plus small and blue plus medium, and they are also created as a release product variants. Here we can see. So we can either create the configurations on the fly while taking the order, and otherwise we can also create the configuration by under the engineer action menu, click on maintain configuration button. Then we can create all the required configuration by clicking on configure button. Similarly, we can also create for orange frame and click on OK, and here it's a orange plus large and click on OK. Similarly, we can create all the required combinations. Now notice that since configuration rule prevents that for orange color small and medium size cannot be used, system will not allow us to select small or medium size for the orange color. So this is how we can create a configurable BOM and minimize the number of BOM versions which we need to maintain. So we just reviewed the application of how configurable BOM works with the configurable product, where configuration technology has to be a dimension based configuration, and we also seen how configuration group, configuration routes and configuration rules can be set up in order to use it with the configurable BOM. Thank you for watching this video.